This video teaches you how to subtract the contents of one or more Excel cells from another. Click an empty cell. Type an equals sign prior to inserting a formula. Type in a cell's name. Type into the cell. Type in another cell's name. Press Enter. Select the cells to subtract. Now you'll see the difference of the values in the selected cell. Type in a number from which you wish to subtract. Type in a number you wish to subtract from the first number. Press Enter. Subtracting a column. Enter your main number. Type in a negative version of the number you wish to subtract. Type equal sign, then sum into the cell. Select the cells to subtract. Now you'll see the difference of the added values in the selected cell.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.